All right, now let's move on to a story of two women in Haryana who have dared to take on the village panchayat there, who had in fact condoned the gruesome murder of their loved ones.
Escorted by policemen wherever she goes. This is how Seema has lived for 4 years now. Her life under constant threat from the village Khap Panchayat, whose 6 members she charged with her brother's murder. Now 2 men have been acquitted by the High Court, and life gets tougher, battling with money shortage and intimidation as the family prepares to take the fight to the Supreme Court.
बेटा बहू चले गए, जिस बहन के भाई भाभी चले गए और मतलब उनको उनकी डेड बॉडी तक नसीब नहीं हुई। कपड़ों से ही मतलब संतोष करना पड़ा कि हाँ ये उन्हीं के कपड़े हैं। तो उस टाइम को सोच सोच के मतलब एक अंदर ही अंदर ये होता है कि अगर हम चुप बैठ गए ना तो बहुत ही गलत होगा। ये मनोज बबली के साथ भी गलत होगा।
Manoj and Babli from Karora village in Haryana fell in love and got married. The Khap interpreted the alliance as incestuous, objected as they belonged to the same gotra. So they put a noose around the couple's neck, dragged them through the fields and drowned them in a canal. 3 years later, in a first ever judgment against a Khap, the Karnal Sessions Court found 6 people guilty. It gave 5 of them death and the alleged mastermind Gangaraj life. Right after registering the case against Gangaraj, the family was excommunicated.
जब हम मतलब कुछ लेने जा रहे हैं दुकान से तो हमें उनसे पता चल रहा है कि हमें कोई चीज नहीं देगा।
Now, to the horror of the family, the High Court has acquitted Gangaraj and another person. And the Khap that welcomed the judgment says it has been misrepresented.
खाप पंचायतों का रूप वो लोग समझ ही नहीं रहे, क्योंकि खाप पंचायतें कभी भी इस बात को नहीं अलाउ करती कि कोई किसी की हत्या करे।
Tough road lies ahead for these women of Karora, isolated, cornered and no respite in sight. With Manoj Thakur in Kaithal, Tanima Biswas for NDTV.